you ever wondered how many men the Flash could off in an hour? Well, I put my top people on it, and this is what we came up with. The global average mile pace is 10 minutes and 25 seconds. That's roughly equivalent to 6 minutes and 28 seconds per kilometer. It takes the average guy between 5 and 10 minutes to rub one out. Now I know these two things are not technically related, but this is the best way I could come up with in order to find out how fast the Flash could rub one out. Which, since he can run a mile in 5.3 microseconds, means he can rub one out in between 2 and 5 microseconds, but we are going to go with 2 microseconds to keep the math easy. That's 1.8 billion guys an hour, but this is assuming he is only using one hand, and we are not prepared. If he uses both hands to take care of 2 guys at a time, that puts the number at 3.6 billion in an hour. Now let's say he not only uses both hands, but we also prep ourselves by standing in 2 separate lines facing each other, and set ourselves up tip to tip, so he can take care of 2 guys at one time with each hand. This would make it so he can take care of 4 guys per 2 microseconds, making the final number 7.2 billion men in an hour, with there only being around 4 billion men in the world. This means if we prepared ourselves, the Flash could theoretically off every guy in the world in an hour, with most guys getting a second go.